Is that a fire hydrant? What?
Look up the Zoey and two big brothers. I'm in my castle, and Riley's coming with me.
Is there anything else left in the car for them? Okay. Throw it over to those ones over there. I see all the birds you've called. Look at them.
Wow, it's a humongous of them.
Oh my God, Zoe, you called them all over. Yeah, get in your seat.
Mommy, I never noticed that. I could do that. Why do I do that?
I don't know how you managed to be such a good seagull caller, but you are.
I did it at school.
Did you?
Fix it.
Oh, what are you making?
Fire. A campfire.
Campfire?
Yeah.
Are you going to roast marshmallows on your campfire?
Yeah. Let's get on marshmallows.
We can't roast real marshmallows. Maybe next time we make Play-Doh, we can make Play-Doh marshmallows.
And they'll go real?
And pretend, no, we pretend that we're roasting them on the fire. Because we can't have a real fire here.
I don't know how to make a marshmallow.
You don't know how to make a marshmallow?
No, can you show me how?
Well, we can show you later, but we're not playing Play-Doh right now. We're playing outside in the wonderful outdoors.
Yeah, on the trees. But it's okay. It doesn't even...
Cody got a big stick.
This is a campfire. This is
A walking stick?
No, it's a tent stick.
A tent stick. Okay.
For me.
Oh, for you to sleep in.
And rock.
There is the first leaf change color of the season, even though it's still technically summer. Yes, keep going. Woo. Watch where you're going. Look up, Riley. Turn. Okay, go on. No, it's not. You're doing good. As long as you steer, Riley. Turn around now. Hey, we're good. How are you? Rolling backwards, whee! Good job, Riley. Steer, steer. Awesome. Riley's a good biker. Look at him go. Look up, Riley. You going to be on a motorcycle? That sounds like fun. Do ya? Sure, you can have a turn on your red one. Go ahead. Okay. That one is hard, isn't it? It's tricky because you're learning something new.
This thing's hopping away.
There he goes.